is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so today I'm going to relax my hair. Like, it's been about 3 months. Like, the last time I retouched my hair was in March. I wanted to show you guys how the process of how I get my hair ready to be relaxed. So after relaxing your hair, some people complain of scabbing, and their scalp is dry and all of that. So this is a routine or a process or something I learned on how you can protect your scalp, or like give your scalp a base, something that can help just to protect your scalp before you apply relaxer. Of course, if you're doing this by yourself, then you know how to best care for your hair. But if you're going to meet your stylist and you're not sure if they know that they're supposed to protect your hair or apply like a base before relaxer, then you should do it at home, or go there and then educate your stylist about it. I'm just unraveling it now. I'm going to thoroughly detangle it before I go to my stylist, because I don't want her to give me headache while she's combing the hair. Of course she will comb the hair, but I just want to do all the groundwork, and really go through my hair with my hands, just really unravel it. And then I'll be using my Soulmate hair conditioner plus as a base. So I will section my hair in parts and start applying this all over my scalp. Now guys, this might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, if you get it right, it will make all the difference. Okay, like, you do not want your scalp to be dry and itchy after you just have your hair relaxed. So you want to really take your time to do this. But if you can't, you can always ask your stylist to do it, because I know some of them, especially here in Nigeria, they will not want to waste their hair cream for you. They'll be like, how much are you paying for the service? If you know what I'm talking about, please leave a comment down below. So hence why I'm doing this by myself at home, because at the end of the day, it's my hair, and if the hair is damaged, they're not going to do anything to help you. So you want to take extra care of your hair. And if you're definitely going to try this process out before your next relax section, let me know in the comment section as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe down below if you haven't. We're almost at 500, so do hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you get notifications when we have new videos up. So yeah, I'm about to head out now, and first I'm going to pick up my relaxer at a mall close to my house, but then I'll take you guys along with me. This is a vlog anyway, so yeah, let's go. So time to relax the hair. What she's doing, I think she's mixing the relaxer with one of the activator or something, I'm not sure. But inside the kit relaxer, it comes with 1 cup of relaxer like this and 4 other smaller products like the shampoo, the neutralizing shampoo, and the conditioner, the deep conditioning. I think that's the shampoo. And it also comes with Yeah, that's the cholesterol deep conditioning treatment. Like, it's so important to always do deep conditioning treatment after you just relax your hair. And I like that it comes with the pack. And I think this one, I don't know what this one is, revitalizing leave-in something. I use that to roll my hair anyway. So I know my stylist or my salon is not exactly very fancy, but I always come here. This woman has been relaxing my hair for about 5 to 6 years now, and she does a good job every time. So I don't see any reason why I should go somewhere else. And she's a bit far from my house, but I don't care because she does it so well. And yeah, you guys can tell already. And I got hungry. I decided to eat a little. And yeah, so she really knows how to take care of my hair, and that's why I come here. I don't care how far it is or how much I get to spend for transport or whatever. So forgive the salon. I know it's not exactly the bougie type, but she relaxed my hair really good. And yeah. And of course, time to wash the relaxer out. And she's using the neutralizing shampoo to really wash this out. And after this, she'll be using the cholesterol deep conditioning treatment, and she's going to really massage this all over my hair, like from the roots to the tip of the hair. And I'm going to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow this set completely, because all that chemical relaxer must have stripped my hair from all the nutrients. And so doing this deep conditioning treatment will actually bring back some more strength and protein and whatever that my hair must have lost. And yeah, that's why this is so important. You see how she's taking her time to really detangle this hair and make sure that product gets into my hair. And she also decided to add this placenta thing. I don't know what it does. She said it stops hair from breaking. Anyway, I decided to allow her put it. So I'm going to wait for a while, and after that I washed it out, and now it's time to roll the hair. So I haven't had a trim in a while, like in months. So I asked her to help me trim some of the edges, the ends of the hair that are quite long, and they're not like symmetric or anything like that. So after this, I sat under the dryer for another 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And I don't like sitting in dryers because it's just an uncomfortable feeling. But yeah, this is me inside. And after this, pretty much everything, I think I went home from here. Yeah. So it's day 2. And this is what my hair is looking like right now, everywhere. I still have some of the curls in here. And yeah, so my routine this morning is to apply my daily leave-in conditioner and my hair cream to the hair before I thoroughly detangle it. So get your daily leave-in conditioner, get your hair cream and your hair oil. These are the things that can help you protect your hair throughout until you decide to put your hair in a protective style. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and unravel the hair with my hand first before I apply, because I don't really need all these curls. I might do put the hair in a protective style by tomorrow or something, I'm not sure yet, but I'll definitely do a video and show you guys what I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to apply is the daily leave-in conditioner. it's very lightweight and I really like it. So now my hair already feels like, you know, it's not as dried as it was when I started out, you know, talking to you guys earlier in the video. It feels well hydrated now, and yeah. So this is how you want to, you know, be managing your hair during the time, like during the time you want to carry the hair. So never ever leave your hair like that and just feel like, oh, I can wake up and comb it anytime I like. No, bro, that will not do your hair any good at all. So this little routine, you can do this to your hair every morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've been able to learn something from my video. If you have, please comment down below, give it a thumbs up if you haven't, and don't forget to subscribe down below. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Can you believe that? Thank you guys so much for all my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share this video with somebody who wants to grow their hair as well. And yeah, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.